Students, today will start Protista. So Protista, it was coined by Haeckel. This we have studied during classification. Okay, it was coined by Haeckel. And what are Protista? They are unicellular eukaryotes. Unicellular eukaryotes. Oh, and they are mainly aquatic, mostly aquatic. ठीक है, now we will come to its first classification. And important thing about is after classification we will study each features. Okay, so first Protista. So if we will study through classification, it will be easy for you to understand. So first, it will be divided into two: photosynthetic Protista then protozoan photosynthetic Protista, so it will be a autotrophs. Okay, next protozoan Protista. It will be autotroph or heterotroph? It will be a heterotroph. Heterotrophs. Okay. Next is saprophytic. Saprophytic Protista. Okay. Next, first we will discuss photosynthetic, that is Chrysophyta. Under this is include Chrysophyta. It means chrysoph means gold, so it means golden algae. Here we will write golden algae. Example will be diatoms, and we will discuss in details. Next is Pyrophyta. Pyro means fire. It includes fire algae. They have a bioluminescence property. Okay. Example is dinoflagellates. Third is Euglenophyta, very important. Example euglena. Actually, euglena is considered as a connecting link between plants and animals because it behaves like both plants and animals. euglena में plants और animals दोनों के characteristics होते हैं. So write down here connecting link between plants and animals. Connecting link between plants and animals. It's lack cell wall. Cell wall नहीं होता है, okay, but इनके में chlorophyll पाया जाता है. Cell wall is absent. It means animal features, and they have chlorophyll, which shows the features of plants. Okay. Now next is protozoans. So protozoans, it is a first we will go Sarcodina. So Sarcodina, it will include amoeboid protozoans. Includes amoeboid protozoans. Example, amoeba. And ant amoeba. Here the locomotion is through locomotion किससे होगा? Through pseudopodia. I think you have studied pseudopodia. Second is amoeba. This you have heard, irregular shape, okay, and they move with the help of pseudopodia. Next, second is under protozoan protista is ciliata. Ciliata, yes, cilia किसमें पाया जाता है? Paramecium. Example is this you have drawn. So locomotion here is with the help of cilia. Third is zooflagellates. So they will have flagella, okay, they possess flagella. So here the locomotion with the help of flagella. Locomotion example is trypanosoma. This causes a sleeping sickness, okay. And the last one is sporozoans endoparasites. Here they don't need any locomotory organ. वो लोग को लोकोमोशन के लिए ऑर्गन की रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होती बिकॉज दे आर एंडोपैरासाइट्स. दे आर फॉर्म मतलब दे लिव इन द होस्ट सेल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लाज्मोडियम. व्हाट इज प्लाज्मोडियम? दे कॉजेज अ मलेरिया, ओके. दे फॉर्म spores like structure. Spores like infectious stage in life cycle. Example, Plasmodium causes malaria. Write down here, it's easy to remember. And the last one is here, saprophytic, that is dead decay material. Example is here, slime mold. It includes slime molds, which is also known as, example is here, example will include Plasmodium, and don't get confused. See, I have again I am writing Plasmodium, but this Plasmodium is different from this Plasmodium. Okay, it will be written in italic form, or I have underlined this. ये एक स्पीशीज़ है. ओके, ये प्लाज्मोडियम क्या है? एक स्पीशीज़ है जिससे मलेरिया होता है, और ये साइंटिफिक नेम है, और उसको अंडरलाइन करो. और यहाँ पे जो प्लाज्मोडियम है, ये जो होते हैं फ्री लिविंग थैलॉइड बॉडी होते हैं. इन दोनों में डिफरेंस है. ये प्लाज्मोडियम यहाँ नहीं है, उसको हमेशा अंडरलाइन करके लिखेंगे. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ स्पीशीज़ नेम एंड इट कॉजेज मलेरिया. और ये प्लाज्मोडियम नॉर्मली ऐसे लिखेंगे, एंड इट इज़ फ्री लिविंग थैलॉइड बॉडी. ये प्लाज्मोडियम क्या होता है? आई एम राइटिंग प्लाज्मोडियम is free living thalloid body. Thalloid body of acellular slime molds. ये स्लाइम मोल्ड्स के थैलॉइड बॉडी होती है. थैलॉइड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है इनकी बॉडी, स्लाइम मोल्ड्स की बॉडी. स्लाइम मोल्ड्स के थैलॉइड बॉडी होता है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द क्लासिफिकेशन, एंड वी विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन इन डिटेल. ओके, what happened?